here, big man wife, poverty, fake life. Now me say you fake life. You a fake life here. You know say you don't get money where you want to do big man wife. Why you go there do big man wife? You know go sew your coat according to your size. You know go sew according to your size. When be so now go they put copyright for people video. A video no wamao, a video wamanya. Your own day there, on the mass way. Tiffy dan koriko or roe. Vanity. Now you want to use your head to carry. Why your boy at many weba? By me, chop Facebook money. Why me in the Facebook a money you are? They know. Then as Facebook they do them for Africa. They scatter family. Now so you go still do now where they Euro for year. Cause you hear what your boy music not do now put copyright. Film video not do now put copyright. Work by area. Work by warigo. Other people they not sabi eat money. They not sabi chop. Or I'm a boy. I say you be big man wife now. Why you call it put copyright for my video? No good boy be no other phone. No good boy. I be you say I not sabi talk. If you say make you come for me, you say you go feel beat me, I be waiting. I don't understand. Una they craze for this Facebook because person never craze for una. This one alone as I be the do saga. Hey saga. Oh where more can we there? Hey Facebook una do buy. Oh go boy. Iwa bo fe kun le monu fi ohun. No we a big man wife, a big man say. You be big man wife, you drag other people things. So you the thief. Oh you were him. Person like if you go supermarket, you will do me already what do feel under Carrello, they not go see you. Wait you not get, you go put copyright. May I tell you, if they do it for others, now they do it to people. Mona not carry my video, put copyright. My video, no copyright for my video. Mona see the video when this woman go put copyright. We chat the video when I do when I not use your mama head to do one. I don't use your children head to do one. Now what you pay me? Now it make me I go talk with it in my mind. Now crime. As you carry that video when you say yes, you want to use and make money. I tell you yesterday say that video me oh I one. Hey oh my not be all video that they carry. Me you go use that video as you go use and take get money. You go on your zaga you obo. Ojigoni ya gbe me ojigoni ya gbe so ojigoni ya iwa boy la we gbe video ni mu ke mo video re e video me o ban wo nana o ban wo re na ya mo video ma he wa e wo me content ni kan wo ezo no wa agbu ihe na ezo gbu ezo gbe rota gbe yota na ezo ni wa agbu e kan no agbu ihe be Facebook ke no rire aje o America jo o Europe yo Nigeria jo anywhere na ezo gbu ezo gbe rota gbe yota. Una they say make me with my children go the quarry. Oh wana ya wabe ya me video wana ya gage ni ma view wana ya view yo. Ebo ogbo agbo mo no bie. Na me we e no da me we ho o ya me gun a video ni. Una ya mo video ni ma e video nu ure ba ni. Na ya mo video. Owu meti, owu obono pe nu e. Owu wo big man wife. Ebo dey, baby atama we yes. Every year for a bonnet day, sometimes able they come. Sometimes able they come. If you don't know, make you know now. We are going on Facebook. Woman go and say me already know why I because I respect myself. Who respect yourself, I'll give one respect. The time when that call all of una, most of una for this Facebook una insult me for waiting and not know one, no two. Nebwana gbuwa. Nebwana agbuwa inu wana ya amwebo wana atiebo me nene video we do make copyright TV uno ere no guhe ya gbo he uno ere ni babo he ya la we gbe he no word onu je no da fon we age itama we no the way that other fon he ari agege o ya gaga ye bedi. Since you say you no go leave my video big man wife beauty clinic TV you no go leave my video for me you no go leave am say no kwa de gbo no wa say video ni ai. video Facebook no give me all of una dey do saga for this for Facebook for here e Facebook yama emu e copyright ye saga no wawo then what agbera gbe ye then wa ya mo e bo ye Facebook mari e yama ri e copyright no wa e ni we you no weta e no da e gbe ni weta una ya mo copyright yo wo gwa lego wo àwọn kan agbegbe wo a ni wa bo ta wa bo we la we gbe nu ni wa bo fe kun le mo nu fi ohian ni wo ya gege ya gbo another phone ya gege gbo a video we it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you. Katama we know that me I don't dey like saga e saga na ma to wa mo e ke imire person dey avoid problem no me say no sabi talk all of una think say na una sabi talk pass wetin be una problem wetin be your problem this woman wetin be your problem or can make am where now so that I don't know who you be but God know you. If you say you dey look yourself say I mean him uma doe uma meti so salobua o salobua ni mega onya ti oba na menera me o ya ti o salobua iti oba na me wa ge no do yi you wa we ya ye bo we aye Nigeria any we ya we bo ya we ye fefe you know the kind of person wey me I be hell wow me sometimes one of the things before na they do things I have mo ya gbe kan wa gbe kan ma no ma no wa ma wa mo video re oya copyright wa mona copyright wa mona copy won sunu wetin dey worry una o won gbo wa very o you tell we Facebook never come na no dey eat why dey by wo wa iju why dey by wo wa again Facebook man na every day Facebook at here Facebook no give me I dey eat o I dey wear the Facebook very fine or you know +1 +2 I mean I be ya me but o one here na to spoil na to scatter na to drop people down who they go up una go carry a come down more na go look Nigeria people why you agree then why you all of una way there for the Europe for year una way they do video they do everything the why not be saga on they grow but go look Nigeria people they know they do saga they are growing without you know do saga with people for this Europe you know go grow that is your bad mind Nigeria go why are they video in Nigeria one guy na yeti that they do that they grow. Because anywhere they don't even get data when they want to do saga. Before they will do saga, small data don't finish. So they will focus for what is the important for them. Oh wow, igbena. No that way free data, free Chinese phone. Oh yeah. On I worry on I review. And wamanya why copyright wa muyo. Wa wo ho na egwan mo na sidwan. Mo na not come my way. My boss alo buana ni me wa tutie degbedegbena. Roye a churchy or going no bungbe. A church or going no bungbe. May I tell una way they carry people video. I know say Mona not carry my video. That is, if you carry my video, you share and God bless you. God bless you, bless your home. But don't go put copyright for what you don't get. Because me, I not go do it to you. Okay? I know if you do waiting, be say yes, not be my own. I can't go put copyright won't die where on go again the Facebook man ere iri ebaye ije wu le no ri dia when oga so pon ibe jo why can't be say Facebook don't come now why you hire kenyenye by me get Facebook touch and leave vanity eredu work with by I beg you this woman big man wife beauty na name no where what any dan wa munegbu wai make you take hand come out for my video carry your eye come out for my video if not my eye e dey with look am I go obome vana here again here ni make by no be high self if 3 go feed one look am 3 they wash you wa again ya mo video Ugwaligo, you work a fake life. I don't know so na fake life. Anyway, okay, ask me, I just wear this one now. He work with fake life, he can't do. What it cause I me fake life na my mate. Fake life not be my mate, my brother, my sister. I go waiting now. If you don't like her, you leave her. Also make you like me. So far I like her for myself. I dey happy with myself. Now that one dey important. Your opinion, I don't need her. I don't need her. Anything when you like, you wear. If you not cost money to do the thing, why am I copyright a video? No, one give people follow our petition. Ni adu azigo nuwa. Ebonu wa no han gbo wa Facebook na. Wa ni webo ya draw ya see ma lot of Facebook na. Ebonu han gbo wa. Ogbo wa oza wa mo. Wa be se ani ni ke. Wakpa why? No be say na your video now. Na my video ebe yo bo ebe you know ebe yata. Una wu gbegbege won bo no pe nu ewo wa. Oboni o salobo o fi ekegbo. O fi ekegbo oboni. We met Wahala met le luwe we saga. Are you okay? Met le luwe we saga. So do I ogware ne gbe hen. When I get a winning a saga, ya continue na get a winning a saga. Then we are la diano. Wait, a saga one of my way now. Hello, hey, Modo women. Now you go carry my video. Big man wife, beauty clinic. No watching and a TV or a clinic. Kenya with psychiatry. See the name where they wound you mind me papa. A clinic no way amu e nene minya. Woman yes pe doctor they no who we wa mu wa bola we gbe wa bo fe kulele ne no da fon we ni no ti a big man wife. Fake life agbelu wa. You know go sew your coat according to your size. Wa go ale a video re here. No wa me view a video ya. Wa mu. Emi ame. Ologo wa. Igbe. Oh, I'm a video because people suffer do that video. People cry. They cry when I cry for that video. The pain when I receive for that video. My I'm copyright you. I tell you yesterday, say yes. Your children now bully they go to bully them anywhere when they go. You are bully boy. I bully can you religion. We are so what you do today, you don't go see them, but make you go front. All of them they wait for you, they wait for your children. Because now what people do me for that video, now I take cry. Where? We pastor on the room. No way, we know. We be you way where you go see come. Look. Oh wa, mother wa. Oh what Lord me that one a house not come near me bumere because imam video God know where do me any cause any prayer when I pray for you okay I send we was also in life because do me work do get do me copyright the video no manya a video no manya a video no my any ya we here any ya video ni e me de gbe ya balome e na u me e mi ta video ni e mi ye fefe na u me ye fefe iwo ehia we o pe ahia we iwo o hia agua so pe agua so when we yes wa mu me video no me copyright yo owo ma wetin I do you I don't insult you one day. If you don't like progress or you don't like people when they progress or what they go for because they rabbit you on Facebook, you go past me. You go past me. Me, I know they put back comment for a video. If I see on a video, if I know, I will pass because I know as soon as they do a video. Here no was to say no why with video here. Yet TV, it or I mean no igbe video. Now where Obio go ma iwe nene see you call as many people they talk am. I know if you bring myself down, I can't go they comment bad comment for your video like seriously. Here no ya suffer where am I we were day. You don't make copyright your room that way. I be big man wife for more. Big man wife we big problem no why poverty. Wa mo pe ni wa mu negbu wa ya this way follow awu wa Whereas this even money I want be like you. You who pray make it be like you na problem you carry. Problem emi an wo wa gbe o yan o baba olawo egbe like we egbe wa gbon wa gbe o me wo we you say you sabi e can ri ya you who we saga then you come find me not be me come find you. If when I first tell una say when I dey do that video when they insult me for that video now not many people want to insult me for waiting I don't know one no two now this woman go put copyright if you dey even gbin na me here fefe o sa no bua no wey you go gbin here before you go gbin here emi no ma here fefe all rin awo re da gbin here e ma no get e bo many am emi ni ma opa eva ana ati e bo me here ya na ga video ana ga ro me me we you when ne we do mo video me ne video we do mu na do mo copyright yo ma be ge ologo wa o ku bu ajo wa wo e bo ya fefe no re video no o mu ajo wa wo igo ni nu working aye ni emi awon aya gbe o seko aya ze ni wo emi awon aya gbe ni wo ya dupa anything ri ya o we bode today you know the apple today go front they wait for you they wait for your children wa ni mo wa we mi dan ba we get Facebook wa you get ba we get Facebook wa ri get Facebook oh wa on let you Shanghai on what to more and you Shanghai abia de call and they talk for you and we walk and go no gbe wo ya ta kon je keke na ya mo video bi na ya mo copyright hey you can't tell me we know okay yesterday when I dey show that video when I dey show the video because of the weather this thing just too bright so na not see am well so even here now make I brighten small no be small thing my people tell them all like gbe wa gbon ye ko we owo me ko we hia ima bo e radio wa e o ima we no mo no dogun me wo anything no ima we no rigo me ni yari e ba e wa go e ri agbon wa go e wa la ho wa bege e now outside that day I hope una go see the video make I zoom am sia na sia wa bege this na video when I do before February now I do this video January yeah look at January 27 sia and o mo copyright o mo jije mo wa go na gbon wa gbon ige Facebook na obu yanya ige Facebook ni ayo mo ya here ige Facebook ni aye emi no dinya ni aya ha se emi awu ige Facebook even though you when be say I don't know what they call you when they put red hide for me a red hide no here agbo a red hide no here agbo ogbo no le wo here ready ni no mu jo no he agbo that why e me wa when I want away aga wa here to le mu la jan wa ko do ago wetin they no go do now na want me they do others but tomorrow when they go do now na go roll come out when they cry for people hey man I help oh hey man I do this one oh hey man I do this one oh whereas that thing when we say yes you don't want me they do you but you want me they do others you they happy uma bege upopo na agbe iyawo aya gbe yale e no sunu bezo wazo oko always sunu waze we always we gbe if na good to you right o if no be good to you also why gbe wa ni mu dia yo iye kewe emi no una go ma ni aga gage video re ni amu copyright ye video re wa di jiyan ko wa mi o emi no kwa kan degbu wa ho emi no kwa kan degbu wa daga wa a video ni no ga me na robi o ga me na mo ge ba me ni be do gun aji be do zenu nu meji ana do mo copyright do mu yo me wa ya be fe wa mo be webo daga wa na wi me na be wa then na ya robi me ya fe na be robi wa then me ye na be women ni bi wa be wa gere no je no sa bo be fia kere no be fia no wa go ba lo no wa gere no je wagere no je daga why wa wele wa go salobua whereas e bon wayaga or one side o e dey na re dagbo menu sa e na re dagbo menu sa oh maka me that one not concern me you children or no you children why you go dey put why you go dey put copyright wetin I talk what you can remember okay here go be like I vent for one you know say that thing no good why you go dey do one why you go dey do that thing why that thing no good you go dey do one because you look me say I not get maybe nobody go talk for am boy if person no yegbo unumena ogunwe ya go I don't need anybody make they come talk for me but I go talk to you me I go talk to you Ige Facebook no wazu wana me we yes wa maya onpe wa maya onho e ba no keke no wa bi we if no ma keke we ugege ya mu e wa imwe video me he do mu e copyright over when where wa we wa me e ravidi na so na get palace na so na get this one na so na get this one still e me ye line wa ware you na get many to na so na get this one e me line wa ore why you will promote me I don't put copyright for your video before no to be frank if I don't put copyright before everything when you do if you write or you call so let it be well with you but I never put copyright big man wife you big trouble big man wife beauty clinic TV now you are they talk to I know they fear you oh ayare ni gbe wetin gbe mara when aladi ama we don't look say I get beat you no go fit fight me you no go fit beat me I swear una just dey do for Facebook na say the person no dey talk na fool and nobody wan be fool na respect to dey give each other iye matama ni say we boni do azu on Facebook they tell we then wazu many of them run wayazu on Facebook do why meje no go why agwa one why aziye no advice money is not everything wisdom is something ego emi ya wagbo wa me wisdom with sense move with your wisdom move with sense wa me we emi ya dey ego money touch and leave na money be how many people you don't say you carry money go where they go nobody you when see the fight so you know go still carry and go anywhere a video ni ya gwe wagwa umu so ibe guwegwa me I talk to you iwe uga a video na don't mwe copyright you na una ya di ebae ni wo una ya dewu ni wo una ya dupon ni wo una ya debae ni gbo una ya debae no dafo ologoma down for your house will turn upside down your children life will turn upside down because for negbeme ya we video ni eve ya we all of una know when this video when I do this video the can't cry when I cry for this video who don't make copyright you know that way wa bono penu wa it's your myself where ebonia ya ti wa in Nigeria I know they call people as well for our web for me I know they call people our web me unumena egwe ya neru gbe sadoboa ya neru na emi opanya ino lele mi ajagbo ima obono penu wa na rie emi ere na vin yu wa ya efefe o hia emi ere vi yo wa o ohon ime ko bo me pini do wa na emi ere vi yo o eihi the temptation o hia me emi ya ekeni ye denena but I look at all these things na vanity. Make yourself happy. Always love yourself. Eat whatever hungry you. That is what I know. And that is what I believe. And that is what I'm doing. When he do again where he big my wife who copyright lele My copyright lele a video here. Yeah, whenever I want to be like you, God forbid back thing. I can't be like you. When I want where here they leave you. Mommy where to nowhere. Eh? I got muela dia my wonu je. I got muela don ye be. Akwa de pe webo. Who here you where you give me? Eh? A video wa manya. Give me. I be any more than fine. You may not jam and I never come out for your coin sort any of you for one day. I know they look at they give people respect. If once now see sort me rich for waiting and not know one no two. Imala jam don't pay. Don't rob anybody. But I live una for God. If not true, waiting I sort me for not true. That's why I no salobo. Where we went any women saw one of the gbe una be a day una we wa do mo copyright here a video no naira visual ma o nu le mi we wa gbon ni wa bo lawo egbe wa bo ta wa bo we lawo egbe nu fi awo a video no na ya di right wa me no enu gu alo video ni wa me enu gu alo wo o we ya we owo kan agu ale no gbe go o ya da kwa giri keke wa asandi me. So where come with Benuada Aquangiri Keke Weni? Where come with Be Uda Quangiri Keke Wen?